In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Notion dashboard more aesthetic, like way more. If you're ready to transform your workspace into something that's visually appealing and truly personal, let's dive right in. First, open up your browser and navigate to Notion. If you're using a desktop or laptop, you can do this by typing Notion into your search bar and hitting enter. Once you're on Notion's homepage, sign into your account if you're not logged in already. This is our starting point for creating that dreamy dashboard. Now, once you're inside your Notion space, you'll want to locate a small arrow icon at the top of the page. Yes, that one. Click on it. This opens up a world of options right at your fingertips. It's like opening a gateway to all the incredible features Notion offers to organize and prettify your space. After clicking the arrow, you'll see a templates option, which is crucial in our beautification journey. So go ahead and click on Templates. This step will lead us to a treasure trove of ready-made designs that can serve as the foundation or spark inspiration for your dashboard. In the search bar that appears, type Aesthetic Dashboard. This search query is specifically crafted to fetch templates that are not only functional but also pleasing to the eyes. You'll notice a variety of templates popping up on your screen, each with unique styles and setups. Once all the results are displayed, there's a See All button that you'll want to click on. This ensures that you're viewing the entire array of aesthetic options available, giving you the best chance to find something you'll absolutely adore. After you've had a chance to scroll through the selection, it's time to select a dashboard template that speaks to you. Browse carefully and pick the one that aligns with your personal taste and needs. Once you've found your chosen dashboard, it's time to make it yours. Click on your selected template, and a preview will open, showing you its layout and features in more detail. Now, to bring this template into your Notion workspace, simply click on the Add button. This step is crucial as it effectively imports the template, allowing you to start customizing it with your own flair. You'll then be prompted to choose whether to add this new dashboard to your private section or to your larger workspace. Make your selection based on how exclusive or shared you want this aesthetic makeover to be. Last but not least, click on See Template to have a final review of the newly added dashboard in real time. This is where you get to appreciate your beautiful new setup and configure any personal tweaks you'd want to make it truly yours. Congratulations, you've successfully uplifted your Notion dashboard's aesthetics to a whole new level. Enjoy your fresh, organized, and beautiful space.